What is up guys, it's the Gadget Inspector. So today I'll be comparing the iPhone 13 and the 11 Pro Max. Without wasting any time, let's jump right in. So guys, let's start this comparison with the cameras. Well, both of these phones are great. They both house a 12 megapixel for the main lenses, but the iPhone 13 gets a new and larger lens. And they have upgraded the OIS. Same to tell with the new and improved ultra-wide lens that is even detailed and clearer at night. Well, coming to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, as we know, has 3 camera lenses, all 12 megapixels, but as we know that the iPhone 11 Pro Max has an extra telephoto lens that you can use for close-up portraits, unlike the iPhone 13 that uses only its main camera. So I'll be dropping by the new improvements of the iPhone 13 on screen, so feel free to pause and read. And only the iPhone 13 has the new cinematic mode and photographic styles, which imitates other phone shooting processing by its color tones. But for anyone who's looking for a phone that can future-proof them in the camera department, well, that phone is the iPhone 13. It's not only good, but has also improved its video capabilities with an extra mile. So yes, this category is won by the iPhone 13, with no doubt. Well, let's talk about display and performance. I have to say, these phones really have great displays. They're both made by Samsung. They are both bright, clear, sharp, and detailed. They both support 4K HDR content on YouTube or other streaming platforms, but only have one refresh rate option, which is 60Hz. But at least they feature a 120Hz touch sampling rate. And not forgetting their well-known Super Retina XDR displays, with term used for an OLED display. And not forgetting that they both house 4GB of RAM, and they share the same type of RAM. But we know that we can never go wrong with how Apple engineers its own software and hardware for its own apps and third-party apps. Well, let's jump to the performance department. Well, this is an easy one because the iPhone 13's processor is so powerful that they even use it again with the iPhone 14 and the 14 Plus. They are both really powerful phones, and the iPhone 11 having an A13 Bionic and the A15 Bionic found in the iPhone 13. And so guys, I must say, the iPhone 11 Pro Max is a good phone, but the iPhone 13 is much greater. And that's it from me guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later. Have a great day. Peace.